வணக்கம் நண்பர்களே, இந்த வீடியோவில் நம்ம எதை பற்றி பார்க்க போகிறோம்னா இந்தியன் ரயில்வே ஐஆர்பிடபிள்யூஎம் புக்கு லேட்டஸ்ட் வெர்ஷனான 2020 மாடல் புக்கில் இருந்து கேட்கக்கூடிய முக்கியமான கொஷின்ஸ் அண்ட் ஆன்சர்ஸ் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்குறோம். இது வந்து எல்டிசி எக்ஸாம், எந்த ஒரு எல்டிசி எக்ஸாமாக இருந்தாலும் இது வந்து ரொம்ப யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். அதனால் பார்க்கலாம். இதுக்கு முன்னாடி நான் ஒரு 25 கொஷின்ஸ் வந்து பார்த்துருக்கோம். அந்த வீடியோ பார்க்கல அப்படின்னா பாருங்கள். இப்போ 26வது கொஷின் பார்க்கலாம். 26வது கொஸ்டின் என்ன போட்டுருக்காங்கன்னா, இன் கேஸ் ஆஃப் மேனுவல் பேக்கிங் ஆஃப் ட்ராக் ஸ்பீட் ரிலாக்ஷன் ஃப்ரம் 20 km to 45 km இஸ் டு பி டன் ஆன் டே 1 பீயிங் டே ஆஃப் ஓப்பனிங், ரிலேயிங் அண்ட் பேக்கிங். ஆன்சர் வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 4th டே ஆஃப்டர் 2 rounds த்ரூ பேக்கிங். அடுத்தது 27th கொஸ்டின். In case of manual laying of sleepers and machine packing followed by stabilization using DTS after ensuring necessity maintained activities, speed relaxation up to 75 km can be done on day 1 being day of opening, relaying and packing. 6th days. அடுத்தது 28th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, for preparation of project report for track renewal works, the existing or proposed gradient profile should be recorded at an interval of 20 meter. Answer 20 meter. Another 29th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, the maximum speed restriction under which through sleeper renewal work should be carried out is 20 km per hour. The 30th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, criteria for renewal of ERC in plain track is passage of, other than the conditions or basis, is passage of 300 GMT or 8 years, whichever is earlier. ERC renewal. அடுத்தது 31st question. Mass per meter of 60 EI on rail is 60.21 kg. 60.21 kg. அடுத்தது 32nd question. Maximum permissible loss in section as prescribed by IRPWM 2020 for 60 kg per meter rail section is, maximum permissible loss in section is 7%. 33rd question. For a rail section, vertical wear should be measured at vertical wear should be measured at center of rail head. Answer C, center of rail head. At the 34th question. Minimum limit of lateral wear in rails on curves in A and B route is 8 mm. At the 35th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, the criterion for wear due to corrosion in rail is corrosion beyond the option 1.5 mm. What is the 36th question? Frequency of USFD testing of AT aluminum thermit welds for line having annual GMT greater than 80 is, answer, once in a year. 37th question. Frequency of normal rail testing. Frequency of normal rail testing of rails for line having annual GMT between 40 to 60 is once in 2 months. 38th question. As per USFD manual, OBS marking in rail is to be done by marking one cross with red paint. One cross with red paint. 39th question. As per the USFD manual, characteristics of testing equipment, that is BROF index, should be checked at least once in a month. 40th question. As per USFD manual, code life of USFD NRT machine is 8 years. 41st question. As per the UIC classification of rail failures, fault of rolling stock is indicated by which letter? Yes. Next question. 42nd question. As per USFD manual, for IMR flag clamped joggled fish plate is to be provided within 24 hours of detection of IMR. 43rd question. Center to center spacing of SEJ sleepers of SEJ pertaining to drawing number RT6902 is 600 mm. 44th question. Number of SEJ sleepers in SEJ pertaining to drawing number RT4165 are 6 numbers. 45th question. The cross slope at the top of formation as per the standard profile is 1 in 30. 46th question. As per IRPWM 2020, for single line new works in embankment, minimum formation width should be 7850 mm. 47th question. As per IRPWM 2020, a level crossing having TVU 18752 shall be classified as a C class level crossing. லெவல் கிராசிங் பற்றின ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில்ஸாகவும் ஒரு வீடியோ போட்டுப்பேன், அந்த வீடியோவை நீங்கள் பாருங்கள். அதில் கிளாஸ் ஏ, கிளாஸ் பி, B1, B2 இதெல்லாமே நம்ம நடத்திருப்போம். அடுத்தது 48th கொஷின். As per the IRPWM 2020, all interlocked level crossing shall be kept normally open to the road traffic. 49th question. For operation and maintenance, level crossing beyond the outermost stop signals are under the control of SCPV in charge. At the 50th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, the distance of speed breaker from gate post of level crossing should be 20 meter. Speed breaker 20 meter. At the 50th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, periodical census of traffic at all level crossings should be done at a frequency of once in every 3 years. 52nd question. As per the IRPWM 2020, periodical census should be carried out for a duration of 7 days. 53rd question. As per the IRPWM 2020, which is the most correct option? Level crossing should not fall within breathing length of LWR. 54th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, minimum distance of gate post from center line of the track for special class LC should be minimum distance 3 meter. 55th question. As per the IRPWM 2020, for a square crossing at special class LC gate, the minimum length of check rail should be 2 meter more than width of the gate. 2 meter more than the width of gate. At the 56th question. As per IRPWM 2020, minimum number of detonators at a level crossing having single railway line should be. Minimum number of detonators at the level crossing having single railway line should be 10 numbers. எப்படி வந்து ஒரு 10 இருக்கணும். அடுத்தது 57th question. The schedule of inspection of JEPV of level crossing for missing loose fittings is once in a month. அடுத்தது 58th question. Minimum clearance of check rail from running rail at a level crossing is 51 mm. 51 to 57. Minimum வந்து 51 mm. அடுத்தது 59th question. As per the IR SOD 2004, minimum center to center distance between the track for existing works in yards is 4265 mm. அடுத்தது 60th question. As per IRPWM 2020, the steepest permitted gradient for LWR or CWR is 1 in 100.